In our last video, we look at this equation and saw that it is the Laplace transform of a function. The Laplace transform of a function f of x is the integral from 0 to infinity of e to the minus sx times the function dx. Alright? Now, let us find the Laplace transform of just a constant, call it c. What is the Laplace transform of c? It could be 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, any number. But we say it's a constant c. Now, according to this equation, it should be the integral from 0 to infinity of e to the minus sx times c dx. But you know, when you integrate a constant times a function, it's the same thing as saying the constant times the integral of from 0 to infinity of e to the minus sx dx, right? You can't put the constant outside of the integral sign on the left. So here now, let's go ahead with this. This is c times. Let's put a square bracket there. What is e to the minus sx? The integral. You can use integration by substitution. If you have been doing a lot of integration by substitution, then at some point you can recognize what the integral of e to the minus sx is. It's going to be e to the minus sx over negative s. Alright? From 0 to infinity. Alright, now, here, this is c times, now, s, negative s. S is a constant, so negative s is also a constant. So you could factor out the negative s and put it under here. But let us keep it for now. You could do that, but let's keep it. E to the s times x, remember, the negative, you're going to substitute the upper boundary, s times infinity over negative s minus e to the negative s times 0. I'll put the times over negative s. So let's see what happens here. C times, now 1 over e to the negative mean the same as 1. No, e to the negative power mean the same as 1 over e to the positive power. So it's e to the s times infinity. It's just infinity, right? Over negative s minus negative. So we're going to have a plus here. 1 over e to the positive s times 0 is 0 over s. You see that? So what happened a while ago? So here now, this is c times, now, e to the infinity. This is infinitely large. And 1 divided by a very large number, as that number gets larger and larger and approaches infinity, what happened? 1 over it approaches 0. So it's 0 over negative s. Alright? Plus. What is e to the 0? E to the power of 0 is 1. 1 over 1 is 1. It is 1 over s. This part goes because that's 0. 0 over anything is, when you work it out, the answer is 0. So you're left with c times 1 over s, which is c over s. So the Laplace transform of a constant results in the constant over s, where s is a constant. Alright? So there you go. We'll look at another the Laplace transform of another function in our next video.